easy. Getting leads is also easy, but converting those leads into customers, that's where most businesses struggle because leads don't wait. If you reply late, they move on. And this is exactly why some business profit from ads while others just spend the money. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how Facebook ads grow your business because speed matters more than traffic. So the real problem with Facebook lead ads is that when someone fills in the form, they're interested at the exact moment. But what happens? The data sits inside Facebook ad managers. Someone checks it later, downloads the file, send a manual message, sometimes after hours, sometimes the next day, or sometimes after weeks or months. And by then the customer has already contacted someone else. So that's where speed matters. In lead generation business, speed is more important than price. The first business to respond usually gets the deal because customers don't compare 10 options, they go with the first helpful resource. So now what's the smart way to handle the leads? So instead of manually checking leads, smart businesses respond instantly. The moment a lead is submitted, customer receives a message, sales team gets notified, data is saved into CRM, follow-up is scheduled. No waiting, no missed opportunity. So imagine someone submits a form at 11:45 p.m. You are asleep, but your system sends, "Hi, thank you for your interest. Our team will contact you shortly." And the next morning, your sales team is already getting the lead details ready. Now the conversation start warm, not cold. Okay, so now I showed you what can be done. But how can this be done? So this can be done by connecting Facebook lead with your apps like email, CRM, WhatsApp notifications. Tools like Pabbly Connect help you to create this amazing automated workflows so that every lead is handled instantly without any manual work. And how can this impact your business? So if you will respond faster, you will gain higher trust. If the higher trust you gain, you will get more conversations. More conversations you get, more sales, and you don't need more leads anymore. You just need better handling of leads. So that's the reason why you should switch to automation today and connect your Facebook leads with certain apps. And now I'm just going to show you how you can also do this. So you just need Pabbly Connect to do this. You can connect your Facebook lead ads with your Google Sheets. You can send instant emails to your Facebook leads, and you can also instantly add the Facebook lead details into your CRM. You can instantly send them a WhatsApp message and also notify your team on Discord when you receive a new lead. And for that, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user of Pabbly. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of hours free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of hours free means that you can try Pabbly Connect for free. Yes, you can manage up to 100 of leads for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you find it helpful for your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. So now let's see how this automation can be created. So for that, as I already mentioned, you have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect. Connect your Facebook lead ads. It is very easy. You just have to connect your Facebook page with Pabbly Connect, and then you can simply capture the lead details right over here and add the lead details into your Google Sheets so that your teammates can get the exact data at a single spreadsheet without manual copy pasting. The next what you can do is you can send automated emails to your Facebook leads, something like this, so that your leads get nurtured instantly without any manual effort. Be it you receive the lead at late night, early morning, they are going to get an email instantly, whatever the time it is. Same goes for the WhatsApp message right over here. And then you can instantly add the lead details to your CRM so that your sales team can get the details instantly and contact the lead as soon as possible, because as I already told you, speed matters in today's businesses. The next what you can do is you can notify your team on Discord, Google Chat, Slack, or any another platform and notify them to just contact the lead as soon as possible. These were just few examples of the automation which you can create, but there are many more automations what you can create. You can also build all of these automations together in a single workflow if you want, and further you can do much more with your Facebook leads. So Facebook ads don't fail because of targeting, they fail because of delay. When every leads get immediate attention, ad spend turns into revenue. So instead of generating more leads, start first handling the ones you have better. And yes, this can gain you a lot of customers. So try Pabbly Connect first, and then if you like it, don't forget the discount coupon codes attached in the description box below. And if you want, we have a detailed tutorial on each of the automation which I showed you in this video today. You can check it out on our YouTube channel. Go and try handling your Facebook leads better with Pabbly Connect, because first, we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and second, automation is the new key to grow your business. So go and try these amazing automations, and while trying, if you have any queries, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.